In front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by selecting Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down to tap on App Lock under Special Features. Enter your privacy password and hit Got it. Then tap on gray switcher next to App Lock feature to activate it. And lock all of your apps by tapping on gray switchers next to them. So when I go back and try to access one of my apps, I can see that privacy password is required. To disable App Lock, go back to the same section. Enter privacy password and use the same blue switchers next to your apps to unblock them. To switch off App Lock completely, use blue switcher at the top. If you don't have privacy password at all, you need to... I will just disable mine real quick. After tapping on App Lock here, you need to hit Settings in the pop-up. Then use a different password type and pick one of those options. Create your privacy password, repeat it to confirm it, set up recovery images in case and answer security question. If you don't like it, tap on it and change it. Or create your own by tapping on Custom Question and typing in wherever you want to. Remember to answer correctly below and hit this check mark at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!